What is the sampling distribution of a proportion? Let's take a look at a candy machine that has lots and lots of Reese's Pieces. In this simulation, we can specify the probability of getting an orange Reese's Pieces. So let's say that's 45% or 0.45, and we're going to take samples of size 25. And let's start with one sample. So let's draw one sample. And we got 0.28. So we got 28% orange, even though the probability in the candy machine is 0.45. And then we go and we put a dot on this dot plot to show where we came out. So we expect on average to be at about 0.45, which is around here. This one was at 0.28. Let's do another one. Okay, this one we got 0.24. We got another kind of low one, but that's possible. All right, let's do another 10. Another 10 samples of size 25. Okay, so here's where they all came out. The last one was 0.32. See, 0.45 is in here. They're coming out on the lower side, but that is definitely possible with this mix. So so let's do 100 more. And okay, so there I just did it instantaneously. Okay, so you can see that the more samples we draw, the more this is starting to look like a bell curve. And the average is coming closer to that 0.45. So this is a sampling distribution of a proportion when the proportion in the population is 0.45. So a lot of the questions in the textbooks and an AP exam would be, you know, would you be surprised if you got a particular result in a sample? So I'll ask, so if in a particular sample of size 25, we got 0.2, so 20% orange candies, would we be surprised? Yes, we would be surprised because the probability of getting 0.2 in our simulation, actually it's 0 in this one, but very small. Okay. And then another question could be, would you be surprised if you got 40%? And you could look at this simulation and say, oh no, the probability of getting 40% or less is pretty large, right? It's all these dots compared to the total. Okay, and so this is starting to get into p-value. What's the probability of getting the sample result that you saw, given that this was true, 0.45, and you'll see that's going to be called the null hypothesis as we go forward. Okay. Thank you.